The Supreme Court has affirmed the election of Monday Okpebholo as the All Progressives Congress APC as the governor of Edo State, upholding the decision of the Court of Appeal in Abuja. A five-man panel led by Justice Mohammed Garba Lawal held that the appellant, the People's Democratic Party PDP, and its candidate in the September 2024 election, Asue Ighodalo, could not establish the claims of election non-compliance, unlawful votes, and that Okpebholo was not duly elected. The appeal was dismissed for lacking merit. The reports.
In a unanimous judgment, the Apex Court held that with the submission before it, Ighodalo was not duly elected by the majority of lawful votes cast. Specifically, the Apex Court held that the PDP candidate failed to prove non-compliance as he merely challenged the outcome of the election in 395 of the 4,519 polling units where elections were held. The Apex Court panel also said the 19 witnesses called at the tribunal stage did not help the case of the PDP in challenging the outcome of the election. Some party members and lawyers spoke with journalists after the ruling.
For this decision today, they have reaffirmed the law, which is that for you to establish non-compliance, you must supply credible evidence. The lower court, the tribunal, it was 3/3. At the Court of Appeal, it was 3/3. And today at the Supreme Court, 5/5.
Governor Monday Okpebholo and the APC in Edo State won very convincingly the September 21st, 2024 election. We thank the judiciary. We thank the Supreme Court especially for restoring the hope of Edo people and affirming the judgment of the concurrent judgment of the two lower courts, which has affirmed the election of Governor Monday Okpebholo.
Glory to God for this judgment. Eventually, this whole matter has, been put to rest, and I believe that all of us who are from Edo State should join hands together, both those that lost at the Supreme Court and those of us that won here. We still believe that there is no victor, there is no vanquished. We are all the same. Let us join hands in building our state.
The governor, Senator Monday Okpebholo, for this victory. For me, no victor, no vanquish. We are all from Edo State. When I used to grow up, we used to hear that the judges, they are next to God, and they are giving their judgments and not telling what can do. It's for us all to go back home as Edo people, to support the governor, to make sure we build Edo.
Meanwhile, Governor Okpebholo has welcomed the victory and extended an olive branch to all his opponents and members of the opposition. However, Ighodalo has faulted the court's decision and described it as a betrayal. In a statement released after the judgment, the PDP candidate argued that the September election was nothing short of a deliberate and coordinated robbery. Ighodalo alleged that the governorship election was rigged in favor of the APC. Also reacted to the ruling, a former Edo State governor, Godwin Obaseki, says he has left the legal outcome of the 2024 governorship election in the hands of God to deliver divine justice. In a statement, the former governor said while he believed that the election was won by the candidate of the People's Democratic Party, Asue Ighodalo, he and other supporters of the party were bound by the verdict of the Apex Court.